Good morning, students. The second application of uniform circular motion is well of death, मौत का कुआं. आपल्या टेक्स्टबुकमध्ये वेल ऑफ डेथची नोट या पेजवर दिलेली आहे. वेल ऑफ डेथ आणि त्याची एक नोट मी तयार केली आहे की ज्यावरून तुम्हाला अभ्यास करायला सोपं जाईल. सो वेल ऑफ डेथ हे तुम्ही मला वाटते बऱ्याच जत्रेमध्ये तुम्ही पाहिलं असेल, गड्ड्यावर पाहिलं असेल. तुम्हाला दाखवण्यासाठी मी इथे एक फोटो घेतलेला आहे. दिस इज अ वेल ऑफ डेथ अँड these are the vehicles which are performing circular motion, horizontal circular motion in this well of death. How much should be the maximum speed of those vehicles which are revolving in horizontal circle in this well of death? That expression we are going to find now. So let us start for that question. So this is the question. Derive an expression for the maximum safety speed of a vehicle revolving in horizontal circle in a well of death. इथे एक डायग्राम काढली आहे वेल ऑफ डेथ. दिस इज अ वर्टिकल सिलेंडर टाइप well of death having radius r and that vehicle is at this point P here, which is revolving in horizontal circle. In that figure, when the vehicle is at this point P, then which forces will act on that vehicle? There are in total 3 forces. First one is the normal reaction N, this one, which is towards the center horizontal. So normal reaction N is horizontally towards the center. The second force is weight mg, which acts vertically downward, this one, second force. And the third force is force of friction, means this one, Fs, which acts vertically upward, the force of friction. In this way there are total 3 forces. Now this Fs and this mg, they are exactly equal and opposite. Therefore you can say here as the static friction Fs, which prevents the downward slipping of vehicles. हा जो फोर्स आहे Fs, त्याच्यामुळं ही व्हेकल जी आहे इथं P पॉईंटला असलेली ती खाली स्लिप होऊन पडत नाही, कारण का Fs आणि mg दोघांच्या किमती बरोबर इक्वल आहेत. सो Fs is equals to mg, call this as number 1. The normal reaction N, which is towards the center of that horizontal circle, it acts as a resultant centripetal force. This is resultant centripetal force. Therefore N reaction, normal reaction N is equals to centripetal force mv square upon r. Let us call this as number 2. Now we know that the force of friction Fs, it should be less than or equal to mu s into n. Actually Fs is equals to mu mg, means mu n. So F is equals to mu into n. So to prevent that vehicle from slipping, that force of friction Fs must be less than or equal to mu s n. मग आता याच्यामध्ये आपण नंबर 1 आणि नंबर 2 मधून व्हॅल्यूज पुटअप करूया. लेट अस पुट द व्हॅल्यूज. Fs is nothing but mg, this mu s as it is, this n is mv square upon r. So if you solve this, we get v square is equals to mu g is less than or equal to mu s into v square upon r. Therefore v square is greater than or equal to gr upon mu s. Therefore v max is equals to rg upon mu s. So this is the expression for the maximum speed. Let us solve one example on this well of death. A motorcyclist to be treated as a point mass is to undertake horizontal circles inside a cylindrical wall of a well of inner radius 4 meter. The coefficient of static friction between the tire and the wall is 0.4. Calculate the maximum speed and frequency necessary to perform this stunt. Take the value of g as 10 meter per second square. Just we have seen that the value of v minimum is under root rg upon mu s. Therefore put the values of r 4 meter, g 10 meter per second square, mu s 0.4. After doing calculations we get the value of v minimum as 10 meter per second square. The second question here is to find the frequency. So we know that velocity is equals to distance upon time. Distance is 2 pi r upon time is period. For one rotation time taken is t. So 1 upon t is n. So we write here as v into 2 pi r n. And finally we get this v n is equals to v upon 2 pi r. So v is 10, r is 4. Put the values, we get the value of n as 0.4 revolution per second. So in this way the answer is 10 meter per second and 0.4 revolution per second. Okay, thank you.